Okay, here we go at number 2. We have y equals 3x squared plus 18x plus 26. So first we have to recognize what form this is in. Is this standard form or is this vertex form? Well, this is standard form. It's ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so the vertex form kind of stands out because you see the parentheses. So my a is 3, my b value would be 18, and my c value would be 26. So I want to find the x coordinate of my vertex. That's negative b over 2 times a. So negative parentheses over 2 parentheses. In the numerator, I'm going to put the b value, that's an 18. In the denominator, put the a value, which is a 3. That would leave me with negative 18 over 6. Negative 18 over 6 is negative 3. So now I need to plug this into my original equation. Now, if you're entering this in your calculator, that's fine. You can type in exactly what's here and make sure you put the parentheses. There's no problems. For those of you working this out by hand, order of operations, you should be dealing with the exponents first. So that's all I'm going to deal with here. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. If you're doing it by hand, you should be doing that step first. Then you can do your multiplication. And then finally, that would be y equals negative 1. So my vertex is at negative 3, negative 1. So I'm going to come over my graph, 1, 2, 3, negative 1. I'm going to draw my axis of symmetry coming down through my vertex. Okay, next thing I want to do is I need to find my points 2 through 5. Now, we always write the numbers 1 and 3 down. Always 1 and 3. Then our a value is 3 here, so we're going to be moving quite a bit. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Those are positive numbers, so you're going to be moving up. Remember, we always move 1 to the right. It doesn't matter what we're going up. It's always 1 to the right. So I'm going to come over to my vertex. I'm going to go up the first vertical change, which was 3. 1, 2, 3, to the right 1. Okay, now I'm going to go up 9. From the second point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over 1. Using the idea of symmetry, 1, 2, 1, 2, I'm going to reflect 1, 1. As I'm going to state when I'm doing every problem from this worksheet, none of these 5 points will ever lie on the same vertical line. So if you check, none of them should be above and below each other. They should all be on a different vertical line. Okay, the domain, as we said, is going to be all real numbers for every problem. Okay, our range always deals with the y coordinate of our vertex, which is negative 1. This one opens up, so it's greater than or equal.